Hey, this is James with JJ Media. I'm going to bring you the way and show you the way to find YouTube suggestions and use that for your video title. And that way you can know what people are putting in their YouTube search. And just so you know, did you realize that YouTube is the second largest search engine? So please subscribe and follow us on our YouTube channel. Also, I'm giving away a free video intro. Free video intro. If you comment below, comment video intro, and you will get a free video intro. So please do that today. So let's go to the computer and I will show you and explain how YouTube search results work. All right, so actually, of course, this is my channel here. Okay, in YouTube, of course, a lot of times, many people don't realize the power of suggestions. If you go to Google, let me just go to Google real quick. And, okay, I want to find the best... let's see, the best car dealer near me. Okay, you search that, and actually what happens is it will pull up everything, you know, from all the local car dealers, and then you can click on it and it shows these here are actually what people are searching for used cars near me. So the same thing works with YouTube. Okay, learn how to make a video. Okay, and if you see this, you'll actually see this is what people are actually searching for. So you can actually take that and use that as your title as long as it relates to what your video is doing. So let's try something. This is something I never have done. This is a trick that you do in YouTube. But let me go ahead and see, or in Google, let me just see. Right there. When you put the asterisk in front of it, go ahead and put the asterisk in front of it, and this is specifically what people are searching for. So let's go find the best audio format. Okay, so not very many people are searching that. But then you change that and okay, audio formats. Okay, let me do another one. That wasn't a very good one. Okay, what is the best video camera? Okay, let's search. Here it brings up all those different reviews. What cameras do YouTubers use? So when you click on that, then it shows what people are actually searching, and then you can use these titles for your video. So let's go ahead and do the asterisk. This is a trick. This specifically, that right there is even streamlined more of what people are actually searching. So that's just a little tip of how to look at YouTube, and you can use the same thing in Google of how to find out what people are searching, what these are. This is specifically what people are searching. Hope this tip helps you. Be sure to comment in this video and the comment video intro. I will give you a free video intro. Thanks for watching. We will see you on our next video.